I bet you didn't know the first commandment from Allah. It's to read. The first verses of Surah Alaq marked the beginning of the Quran's revelation. And the message? Read. Think about that. Why was reading the first command? Because reading enlightens the mind and ignites the soul. In Surah Baqarah, verse 269, wisdom is called the greatest blessing. Have you ever pondered why? Wisdom guides us, shapes our decisions, and enriches our lives. But there's a stark warning too. Surah Anfal, Ayah 22, labels those who don't use their intellect as the worst of animals. Ignorance is not bliss, it's a curse. And in Surah Mulk, Ayah 10, the people of hell confess that they are put in hell because we didn't use our intellect. Yes, it's that crucial. According to Quran, not using your intellect can out you in hell. So next question is, ask where to use your intellect. We will answer it in next video. Dive into the Quran with Quran Daily Dose videos to seek wisdom and let your mind thrive. Stay tuned for next video.